Hey guys, Erica here, Scrapdivatwentynine. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on today with 3 more challenge entries, and I know that today is the 28th, and I said I was going to make the announcement for the winners today, but I do need a few more days to make sure that I have all entries written down. I just want to be fair, so if you guys can just be patient. This was an overwhelming response to this challenge. I had no idea I was going to have so many participants. I am so grateful and so thankful, and I hope you guys will understand, and I promise to do the drawing as soon as possible. All right, so with that being said, I did get a couple of cards in the mail that I wanted to share with you guys. I received this beautiful card from my dear friend Rosa, who is Busy Mom 328 on Instagram and Busy Mom here on YouTube. Hi Rosa, thank you so much for thinking of me. She sent me this beautiful Valentine's Day card with a super cute, gorgeous girl, and I just wanted to share this card that she had mailed to me, and I just think it's so super sweet. And then look at the super cute bunny on the inside. Love that. So thank you for that, Rosa. And then I have one more other card that I'd like to share with you. I'd received this card in the mail, and this card was from a subscriber. And then the inside, it just says, Erica, smile, you're my favorite. And it says, love, Lily. And I just thought that was super sweet. So thank you so much for this beautiful handmade card. All right, now I want to share with you some challenge entries. This next entry is from Carolyn Dunlap, and this is how her entry came packaged. And I'm going to need to cut this. I apologize. I didn't cut it before I started. All right, so here we go. Here is Carolyn's mini loaded bag, and look how pretty it is. I love that huge bow on the front of your mini loaded bag. Really pretty acrylic piece in the center. So she's gifting me some really pretty buttons. Thank you so much. Those are gorgeous. I will definitely put those to use. And then she has a beautiful, let me just take her out. She has a beautiful lovely girl, that's what I call them, lovely girl. And look how pretty she is, and I can use her on a project. Oh, look, and she even finished the back of her dress. How super sweet. Thank you so much. Oh my gosh, and I love the way, let me just get up a little bit closer. I really like the way she layered her dress. She layered it 3 times, and the last layer, it looks like a bit of vellum. So super, super cute. Thank you for this super cute girl. And I will use her for sure. All right, so let's pull out, here's her Memory Dex card. Oh, wow, look how pretty it is. It's a peacock. And it says, smile, it is free. A smile is cheer from you to me. The cost is nothing. It's given for free. The console, the weary, the gladden, the sad, and can make someone happy when they are mad. Unlike blessings in which we pray, it is only thing you keep when you give it away. Smile. Oh, that is so sweet. Thank you so much for this beautiful Memory Dex. This peacock is layered several times, so it is very dimensional, and I just love the paper that you used. Gorgeous. And oh, look how she did her back. I love the way you did the die. What a great idea. You see how she used that die where it's like a little window. So I'm just gonna peek open, and I'm just gonna cover up, well, she's Carolyn Dunlap, and I'm not gonna share her address, but let's see. She is on YouTube as cdScrapodat, if you guys can see that. And I'll link her information in the description box below. How clever to do that. I love that idea. Thank you so much for participating. And I will link everyone's information in the description box below so you guys can check them out. So this is her baking tag, and it says, hooray. Oh, I love that die. Oh, I don't have that one. That's really cute. All right, I'm trying to be careful. I'm trying to take it out of the packaging. Just give me a second. And look how super cute. She used the apron die, and it says baked with love. Oh, I love it. It's so pretty. I love how you die cut all the little utensils and stuck them in the pocket. And I love that rolling pin. Extra cute. And that's how she finished off the back. Adorable. And she made 2, so this one is exactly the same. Awesome. Thank you so much. I love those tags. And then this is the back of her mini loaded bag. And I'm just gonna bring it up a little bit closer. Look at that beautiful flower. It's like popped up. Really, really pretty. See all the layers on that? And it says congrats. And this is her card. So I'm just gonna slide it out. Oh, that's so pretty. It says, Erica, congrats on reaching over 11,000 subbies. I have found you to be not only a good crafter, but also a good person. You really seem to care and welcome all levels of crafters. Thank you for that. I hope you like my submission. Thank you for the challenge, and I look forward to seeing more of your creative work. Caroline. Oh, thank you so much, sweetheart. Thank you so much for participating. I loved your entry, and I will definitely be checking out your YouTube channel. All right, I'm gonna put Carolyn's entry off to the side, and I am going to share with you the next entry, which is from Sandra, which is Sandra Loves to Craft here on YouTube. Hi, Sandra. Thank you so much for participating. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at her. This is no mini loaded bag, you guys. This is a huge loaded bag. Oh my goodness, look at it. I'm just trying to show you guys all the stuff that's peeking out. All right, so let's take out these adorable little, oh my gosh, and I bet the little cupcake fell off, but I will find it. But look how super cute. Look at her tag, and it says Happy Tummies. Isn't that so cute? And look at her super cute little cupcake, and she used a little EK Success punch. And then she accordion folded the paper to make it look like a cupcake wrapper. So it's all dimensional. How super cute is that, you guys? Adorable. Thank you so much. And I will find the top to that. It probably fell off in the bag. I'll find it. I'm sure it's in here somewhere. But look how she made this bag, you guys. It's 1, 2, 3 pockets. And then there's like a gatefold on the back. Wow, girl. That's awesome. Wow. Okay, so I'm trying to be careful. Look at her beautiful memory decks card. Oh my gosh. Look at the cute, beautiful girl. And she has her holding a flower. Look at that, you guys. That is so creative. And look at this pretty spray of flowers and a nice cluster with all this pretty trim and flat back pearls. And this little girl is shimmered up with some Wink of Stella. And she's gorgeous. Thank you so much, Sandra. Oh my gosh. Let me just cover up her address. Okay, so you know what? Let me just go in right there because I don't want to share her address. Okay, so Sandra's channel is Creative Paper Craft. She was Sandra Loves to Craft, but she did have to start a new channel. So this is her new channel name. I do apologize, Sandra. It's Creative Paper Craft, and I will link her channel in the description box below so y'all can check her out, okay? This is a beautiful memory decks card. Oh my goodness. And I'm just loving, look at the front pocket of her bag. It says, love being in my kitchen, and she has all these cute little stickers and pretty bows and flowers, mom's recipes. It's so cute. Look at all this. Okay, so I'm gonna take this out. This is her beautiful wand. So yay, I have one of your gorgeous wands to add to my wand collection, which is growing. And she has all of these beautiful fibers on the bottom. Oh, I like that heart trim. How cute is that? And it says, together is my favorite place. And then she's got a cute cupcake. And then she has a really pretty purple gingham purple ribbon. I love it. It's so pretty. And then look at the back. Oh, he's a little puppy. Oh, that's so cute. Thank you so much for this beautiful wand, Sandra. Love it. And then let's see what else she has in here. Okay, I'm just taking out the stuff in this pocket. I'm telling you, this is so creative. Look, okay, this is her card. It says Our Love Story. How pretty is that? Oh, and it's just blank. So she just gave me a handmade card. Thank you, Sandra, for that. So pretty. I will have to write my husband a note and use that for him. And she sent me some beautiful embellishments. She used her dies, and she sent me some sweet treats so I can make my own tags. Adorable. We got chocolate, strawberry, and vanilla ice cream. And then this little ice cream cone, and they all have cherries on top. Super, super cute. flat back pearls, and look at that super cute little bow right there. And then I love the way you did your topper. How pretty is that? She did kind of like a double layer. How pretty, with all these different sprays and bling and flowers. Gorgeous. Thank you so much, Sandra. And let's, excuse me, I feel like I'm losing my voice, you guys. I'm gonna turn this over. She created a gatefold on the back of her mini loaded bag. And I'm not even calling this mini, this is just a loaded bag. All these super cute stickers and pretty trim. Cute little chef. And look, she's got her tags in here. Oh my gosh, look at this one. It says, baking with you fills my heart with joy. Oh, that's so pretty. And she used the whisk and the spatula. Oh, it's gorgeous. Love it. And I like the way you did the trim, like kind of like, it's kind of like in a circle. And she's got some pretty green seam binding. And this one says love to cook. And oh, I love this one too. And she did gold spatulas and utensils on this one. Gorgeous. Love it. And then, okay, so inside of her, or on the back of her bag, I'm gonna have to try this, and I bet she has a tutorial. She has a pocket that she used with one of her dies, and then she's got these cute cookies down here. And let me just look. It says, hey ya. And it's just a little cute little note card, and I think, nope, there's nothing on there. Okay, just checking. So that's really cute. I can reuse that. And then she made me another one. She went way above and beyond, 2 tags. Wow, girl, thank you. Look how cute this one is. Oh, I love the ribbon and the trim, and look at the whisk and the super pretty trim right here. It's gorgeous, girl. Thank you so much. I love your tags, and I especially love this mini loaded, or this loaded bag. I mean, that's really awesome and so creative. I've never seen one like this before. So wow, awesome, awesome. All right, you guys definitely check out her channel. I will link it in the description box below. I have one more entry I'd like to share with you guys, so just give me 1 second, and I'm gonna put hers off to the side. And my next entry is from June Garcia. And this is how her package came. Now make sure I take out everything. All right, let me just make sure I'm on frame. I do apologize. Okay, there we go. So, oh, this is pretty purple tissue. Thank you so much. She has all these little tiny goodies. I'm gonna start with this one. This is probably her mini loaded bag. And thank you for wrapping everything so pretty. Oh my goodness. Looky here. I love it. It's beautiful. It's lavender and it's gorgeous. Thank you so much for being so thoughtful, and thank you for participating. This is beautiful trim and a pretty tiny bow, desserts and frosting. Oh, let's look at her tags. Oh, let's see. This is the first one, and it says, "You're the cup to my cake." Oh, I love that. Super, super cute. Oh, and I love the ribbons. This is perfect ribbon to tie to, you know, a bag or a treat. Oh, I love that. And then she made another one with a heart, and it says frosting chocolate, and she's a rosette die, and I can do a to and from on the back. Gorgeous. And then she's made 4. You guys did not follow the rules, but that's okay. That one's really pretty as well, and she stamped a rolling pin on the back of that one. And then this is her last one, and it looks like this, and it just has sugar and chocolate and some cute little stickers. Absolutely cute. Thank you, thank you. Oh, that one's purple on the back. And then this is the top of her mini loaded bag, and it says sweet sugar. Oh, love that. And then this is the back of her bag. That's what the back looks like. I love that paper. All right, so here are 2 more baking tags. Oh my gosh, I am set for baking tags. She used adorable stickers, and I really love the tag die that you used. It's absolutely gorgeous. Thank you, thank you. And they're very thick and sturdy. All right, where do I go next? I'm gonna go ahead and open up this. Oh my goodness, so many goodies. Oh wow, look at that beautiful mirror. I love it. Let me just, I'm not trying not to there, but isn't that gorgeous? Thank you so much. It's so pretty. Wow, that is lovely. All right, let's see what else she sent. You guys, oh my goodness, they're so super sweet to send me all these fun goodies. Oh, look at that. It's a Hello Kitty. And look all that bling. Oh my gosh, I love Hello Kitty. Did you know I love Hello Kitty? How cute. I used to collect Hello Kitty stickers when I was little. And believe it or not, I still have my sticker collection from when I was in elementary school. Yes, I do. So thank you so much for that keychain. It's beautiful. And this might be her memory dex card. So let me just open it up and see. And it is, and I'm just going to put some of this tissue off to the side so we can see. Oh my goodness, and this was in there too. I wonder if that went with the Hello Kitty. It might have. I'll figure it out. Okay, so this is June Garcia. Oh my goodness, thank you, June, so much. Look at her beautiful memory dex card. She has my name on there and it says sweet like sugar. Oh, that's so sweet. I love it. And then she's got a cute little mason jar with an adorable cake right there and a heart bling. I love your memory dex card. Thank you, thank you. And oh my gosh, let me open up the card. Here it is, made with love. I'm so sorry. It says, you're the cup to my cake. That is a super cute stamp. I love that. It's so, so pretty, and I like the way you decorated your card. She embossed the front. Let me just open it up real quick. Hi, Erica. Thank you so much for this opportunity. You are such an inspiration, and I appreciate all that you do. Thank you, June. Oh, thank you, June. I truly appreciate you participating in my challenge. She has one more goodie, so I'm going to go ahead and open it up. Oh my goodness, June. Thank you so much. This is crazy. All of these fun goodies. All right. Oh my goodness. Oh, wow. I think she made this. Look at this chunky. It's like a cork charm. And she made it in purple. Look how pretty that is, you guys. Look at that bead. And she's got this really pretty one right there. And then she's got a purple angel. Oh, and a cute little bow. And then a heart, a purple heart. Oh my gosh, I hope you guys can see that. It's so pretty. Thank you so much for creating this. She made it out of a cork, like a wine bottle cork. How super cute is that? And I could put this on a scrapbook or maybe even a traveler's notebook or something. I'll dangle it from something for sure. Thank you so much, ladies, for participating. I truly appreciate each one of you. And I will be linking everybody in the description box below so you can find the ladies there. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.